Welcome to my newest listing located at 15 West Separation Canyon Trail. It is a 3-bedroom plus an office, 2.5 bath. The beautiful features of this home are it's a craftsman style. It has a 6-inch baseboard and coved molding above all of the windows and the doors. It has granite countertops. The appliances were just replaced in 2021. Air conditioning, new roof in 2021. It has a fully fenced and landscaped backyard, and it has a wonderful greenbelt lot with the Flagstaff Urban Trail. Check it out.